Alright, go ahead. Big box of like 1,000 whistlers going into a furnace. So dumb. Just throw it straight in. You're just gonna stand there? Yeah, I'd back up. It's gonna go on for like an hour once it starts. What are you doing? What?
Looking at chimneys.
Come here, puppy. None of them has gone off yet. Oh, there it goes. Sounds like pop. The whole thing's shaking. It's like a big bag of popcorn. There's no way it's not done. There's no way. It's a big box. You can just see black smoke just popping out the cracks and everything because it's pushing it all up. It smells like fireworks now.
It's black smoke going out the chimney.
Really? It just made it harder to see. Yeah.
It was black a minute ago when it was going on. Like, it's black.
It's going slowly. They're going like... They're like going off one at a time, like boom. Boom. Yeah, it was rattling the whole thing, even this. This is the one that leads outside, right? That's a vent. The black one? Yeah, that was going off. I think it's done. How about you open it up and check?
Yeah.
Okay. That's kind of fun.